Hey guys, and welcome back to another video for our German playlist A1. So this is a video for words from 451 to 500. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for our YouTube channel. So let's start. Der Mann, man. Der Mann, man. Die Meinung, opinion. Die Meinung, opinion. Die Minute, minute. Die Minute, minute. Der Mond, moon. Der Mond, moon. Der Morgen, morning. Der Morgen, morning. Müde, tired. Müde, tired. Der Mund, mouth. Der Mund, mouse. Müssen, must, have to. Müssen, must, have to. Nach Hause, to go home. Nach Hause, in the direction to the home. Der Nachbar, neighbor. Der Nachbar, neighbor. Let's change it. Die Nacht, night. Die Nacht, night. Der Name, name. Der Name, name. Die Nase, nose. Die Nase, nose. Nass, adjective, wet. Nass, wet. Nehmen, to take. Nehmen, to take. Neue, new. Neue, new. Nicht, not. Nicht, not. Die Nachricht, message or news. Die Nachricht, news, message. Niedrig, low. Niedrig, low. Nie, never. Nie means never. Noch, still, yet. Noch, still, yet. Nochmal, again. One more time. Nochmal, again. Normal, normal. Normal, normal. Die Nummer, number. The half of the video is done. Oben, above. Oben, above. Öffnen, to open. Öffnen, to open. Oft, often. Oft, often. Ohne, without. We don't reach the H. Ohne, without. Das Ohr, ear. Same here, we don't read the H. Das Ohr, ear. Der Onkel, uncle. Der Onkel, uncle. Die Ordnung, order. Die Ordnung, order. Der Ort, masculine. place. Der Ort, place. Packen, to pack. Packen, to pack. Der Park, park. Der Park, it's in masculine form. Park. Das Papier, neutral. Paper. Das Papier, paper. Die Pause, female. Break or pause. Die Pause, pause, break. Die Person, in female form means person. Die Person, person. Das Pferd, horse. Das Pferd, horse. And the last 10 verbs. Der Plan, plan. Der Platz, space, seat. Die Polizei, police. Die Polizei, police. Das Problem, problem. Das Problem, problem. Der Pullover, sweater. Der Pullover, masculine, sweater. Pünktlich, punctual, on time. Pünktlich, punctual, on time. Der Punkt, it means point or dot. One more time. Der Punkt, point, dot. Die Rechnung, bill, invoice. Die Rechnung, bill in the cafe and or invoice. Das Recht, right or law. Das Recht, law, right. Rechts, it's used when someone tell you to go right. Rechts, in the direction right. Reden, the verb to talk. Reden, to talk. Das Regal, shelf. Das Regal, shelf. Thank you for the attention. Write down below what you want to see in the next episodes. Vielen Dank. Bis bald. Tschüss.